Hi, my name is Michelle Disler, and I'll be your instructor for the next 6 weeks in the class Computing Skills. I just want to say welcome. I'm so glad you decided to join us for your educational and career goals. I know that many of you, it might be your first time taking an online course, and I just want to put you at ease and let you know that many of you are in the same phase of life and are just starting to do online schooling. Throughout the course, I do plan on providing videos on how-tos and some different PDFs with instructions so that you don't feel overwhelmed and scared at any time throughout the course. Um, I do have a background in Masters of Business Education, and I also just finished my Masters of Science in Nursing degree in Nursing Education. So I have an MBA and an MSN. Like you, I did decide to go back to school and change somewhat my career goals and further my education. So I know that that can be a challenge, and that sometimes life doesn't stop, right? You still have all the responsibilities you used to have, and now you have an additional one. So the main thing is that you communicate with me. Please, I am available. Email me. You can text me. I did provide my cell phone number throughout the announcements and in the faculty instructor section. So I want you to communicate with me because I do feel strongly that communication is the key to success and that we are here for each other. Okay, so I hope you enjoy the class, and if you have any questions, please reach out. All right.